Today I'm going to show you how to connect Monday.com to Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate workflows between Monday.com and thousands of other apps, saving you time and eliminating repetitive manual tasks. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to set up this automation, as this is where all your Zaps will be stored and managed. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, click the Zap button to start creating a new automation. This is the foundation of any workflow you build in Zapier, connecting one app to another based on specific triggers and actions. Next, click the Trigger button. The trigger is the event that kicks off your automation, so it's important to set this up correctly. In the search bar that appears, type in Monday.com and select it from the results. This tells Zapier that you want to use Monday.com as the starting point for your workflow. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose your preferred trigger event. This could be something like when a new item is created, when a column value changes, or when a status updates. Select the event that matches what you want to automate. For example, if you want to trigger an action every time a new task is added to a board, you'd choose that specific event. Once you've selected your trigger event, it's time to connect your Monday.com account to Zapier. Click the option to connect or sign in to your Monday.com account, then click Continue. If you already have your account connected, you can skip this step, but if this is your first time, you'll need to authenticate. At this point, you'll be prompted to paste your API token into the token field. To get this token, you'll need to go into your Monday.com account settings, find the API section, and copy the token provided there. Once you've copied it, return to Zapier and paste it into the designated field. This token is what allows Zapier to securely communicate with your Monday.com account. After pasting the token, click Yes, Continue to Monday.com. This action confirms your authentication and grants Zapier permission to access your board's items and updates. You might need to wait a moment while Zapier processes the connection and verifies everything is working properly. Finally, confirm that the connection succeeds. You should see your Monday.com account now listed in Zapier's connected apps. This means you're all set to build automations and streamline your workflows between Monday.com and any other app Zapier supports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.